Welcome, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. Let's take your habits from motivation to don't even have to think about it, habits. And one of the ways to do that is increasing your social support, increasing that community around making a healthy habit. What are the ways to do that? That is up to you, but let me give you a few examples. Had a client who had a motivation to exercise, wanted to exercise, but wasn't really sure without community support if he could do it. So he asked a friend who lived in a different state that every time he considered skipping his workout, that he would contact this friend, phone this friend. This is like that show, Phone a Friend. He would phone a friend, and that friend would be able to say, no, you committed to do this, go ahead and do it. So that accountability. There can also be some practical help. I have a client who he was wanting to eat healthier, and his wife and his whole family was wanting to eat healthier, and his wife was the main cook. However, she had some physical issues that prevented her from standing very long, which meant all the chopping of vegetables and so forth she struggled with, so they began to rely on fast food. He wanted also to have some time with his daughter, so what they did was he and his daughter would spend Sunday afternoon chopping up the vegetables and fruits for the week, and then that way all his wife had to do would be grab all these pre-chopped vegetables to make the meals. It was a great way for them to support each other in their situation for eating well. What are your needs when it comes to support? Is it accountability? Is it practical help? What is that? Who are you going to ask, and when are you going to ask them to help you? What can they do? And then ask them to help you. Take 5 minutes, list out what you need, who can help, how they can help, and when you're going to ask them.